Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the banking of roads. In this we have to discuss how the reactionary force can be resolved into two rectangular components. So this is our main topic today. So let us do one thing. Here we have an object which is placed on this vertical line. Now we know the weight of this object is mg and its reactionary force is perpendicular to this line. So this is the r, which is the reactionary force. Now we will resolve this reactionary force into two rectangular components. One will be along the horizontal component and another one will be its perpendicular to the horizontal component. Now question is, why we place angle theta here? If angle theta is here, that means cos theta can be placed like this. But question is how we can place angle theta here. Now for this you have to understand that first this is the angle theta at the angle at which the road is banked. Now as you know, this is the perpendicular, this is a 90-degree line, so this angle theta. Now if this is theta, this is 90-degree, then the third angle of this triangle must be 90 minus theta. So if in a triangle, here we have a triangle, one angle is theta, another is 90-degree, so the third angle must be 90 minus theta. So this angle is 90 minus theta. But if this is 90 minus theta, so this angle, you are seeing this one, this angle is also 90 minus theta. But now if this is 90 minus theta, so you can say that this angle here, this is 90-degree to this, because this is the reactionary force which is 90-degree to this line. So if this is 90 minus theta and this line reactionary force is making angle 90 with this line, fine. So if this is 90 and this much is 90 minus theta, so this must be theta, fine, as this is 90-degree and this much angle is 90 minus theta, so this must be theta. Okay, so that if you will add the angles 90 minus theta plus theta, so the whole angle will come out as 90-degree. If this is 90 minus theta, this must be theta. Why? Because the whole angle should be equal to 90 degrees. So 90 minus theta plus theta minus theta plus theta will get cancelled out. So this whole angle will come out as 90-degree. So this is the angle theta here. That's why we put angle theta here. Now we know the side along which the angle is there, we put cos theta there. So the component of r reactionary force is r cos theta along this line, and perpendicular to this there will be r sin theta. So this is the way how we are resolving the component r into r cos theta and r sin theta. Now then we can say that this r sin theta is balanced by the centrifugal force mv square by r. So we are writing here r sin theta mv square by r, and we know this weight is balanced by the r cos theta. This weight is balanced by the r cos theta. So r cos theta is mg, dividing first by second, r and r will get cancel out. Sin theta by cos theta is the tan theta, and here m and m will get cancel out. So m and m cancel, so v square by r g. This is the final expression. Thank you.